Storms Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G app Cricket Wireless. The Galaxy A37 is now here at Cricket Wireless. So you guys can see the phone there, very nice looking phone. Like I said, your whole punch stuff for your front facing camera, power and bank keys on the right side of the phone there. The left side of the phone has nothing on it, so your SIM card and micro SD card is somewhere on the phone. It's probably on the bottom of the phone, probably. Back of the phone is your triple camera system, camera first, and your Samsung logo. It's available in that awesome charcoal color. If you are bringing in number, so don't think that there's no discount here according to this. So the full retail price is $499, which is interesting, or $16.88 a month with bread pay, which is interesting as well. So you guys can get a full retail price at $404.99 or $16.88 a month with bread pay. That's if you're a new customer. If you need a new number, that's the same there. If you're an existing customer, it's the same. New number, it's the same, so there's no discount on this phone. So you either gotta pay $404.99 for retail price or $16.88 a month with bread pay to get this phone. There is no discounts on this phone as of recording this video. So Verizon charges $449.99 for this phone. Straight Talk charges $349.99, which is the cheapest for the Galaxy A37. And Cricket's right in the middle as I'm recording this video here at $484.99. So it's like, what, 45 bucks cheaper at Cricket than it is at Verizon. So interesting there. So the Galaxy A37 has a 6.7-inch display, 50 megapixel main camera, 128 gigabytes of storage. It says Galaxy A37 is a sleek and powerful entertainer with elevated features to help you connect and capture effortlessly. Discover more, do more, and enjoy an awesome experience, all at an unbeatable value. For $105, it's not bad. I mean, it's cheaper than Verizon, but yeah. So features is an awesome screen for everything. Elevates your content no matter where you are with the 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display of Galaxy A37. Enjoy massive detail and stunning clarity wherever, whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing. With immersive viewing and up to 1900 nits of peak brightness, your screen shines brighter than ever and showing vivid colors and sharp images, even in bright environments. This adjustable screen makes it easy to take your entertainment on the go, deliver an immersive experience that's perfect for any setting. Awesome performance, amazing speed. Enjoy smooth, responsive performance on Galaxy A37, from detailed graphics while gaming to quick app launches and effortless multitasking. The Exynos 1480 keeps everything running seamlessly, and an enhanced cooling system helps reduce heat buildup, keeping thermals low and performance steady when it matters most. So that's cool. It has like some cooling system in the phone, so that's very nice. Awesome battery, amazing charge. Whether it's family moments or important calls, stay powered without the wait with the Galaxy A37. Plus super fast charging 2.0 ensures you are back up and running as quickly as possible, so you can stay connected without being tied to an outlet. So it has a big battery and super fast charging as well, so that's very nice. Specs: it runs Android 16 with One UI 8. It comes with Android 16. You guys will get 6 years of iOS updates. You guys will get all the way up to Android 22 on this one. It has up to 128 gigabytes of storage. Dimension 6.41 inches height, 3.08 inches with a 0.29 inches depth. The Galaxy A37 weighs 6.91 ounces. Display 6.7 inches Full HD Plus Super AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 802.11, BGN, and AC. And Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7 does not specify what Wi-Fi it has. But Verizon says it's Wi-Fi 7. God damn it. Verizon says it's Wi-Fi 6, and Straight Talk says it's Wi-Fi 7, so go to Samsung official website to get the full specs on the screen. So it's either Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7, does not say it here. Wi-Fi calling, of course, Type-C to Type-C charging there. Bluetooth 5.3. Cameras, you guys get a triple camera system, 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and the 5 megapixel macro camera on the back with flash, 12 megapixel front facing camera. Super fast charging, 2.85 mAh battery. It has a 2.75 gigahertz Octa-core Exynos 1480 chipset. It takes a physical nano SIM card or eSIM option is available. There's your name compatibility is there, and yeah. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. It's now at quicker wireless. So I think that's fine for $499 for retail price, or pay monthly for it. So you guys don't have no discounts if you guys are putting in your number of the cricket. There's no discounts on this one as of right now. So that sucks. So if you guys are willing to get a discount on this one, if you guys put your number of the cricket, there's no discount as I'm recording this video here. So you guys have to pay for a retail price of $499 or pay monthly for it. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really has my whole lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in this one. Peace out.